All right, I think we're gonna turn right now. I think it's gonna be fine. Oh. Oh,
well, too much. You almost got it.
I'm sorry. This will be a 4 point. Nope.
Too much. Jason, you're getting a little too aggressive.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really aggressive.
Well, hey there, everyone. Welcome to Jason Explains Things. Can you fit a 35-inch tall tire on a pretty much stock Toyota Tacoma with a modest 2.5-inch lift with no body mount chop? No, you can't. But let's try anyways. So we're in Nate's shop. Nate, why do we have these wheels?
Well, these wheels are for another project for Joe's Tacoma, and it takes a little bit more to fit 35s than you would think to get on a second gen.
Okay.
It'll eventually fit on there.
Okay.
I'm confident in it.
And Joe's actually here.
I'm here.
And Joe
just
doesn't
to see how this is gonna work.
To any disgruntled commenters, this experiment is just for fun. But hey, all comments, angry or happy, are welcome. A huge thank you to Nate for making this video possible. If you guys need any parts from American Expedition vehicles, Nate's your man.
You don't need these. Tonight on Craigslist, TRD wheels. Get that center cap.
heavier, dude. I sit at a desk too much.
There we go.
There we go.
Fits like a glove. This is going smoother than I expected.
I know. I don't think the mud flap's gonna work too good though.
Just wait for it to sit down on it.
Yeah.
What's the torque spec on that?
2 Agagas or something like that, right? If you've been watching the channel lately, you'll know that Chris fit 35s on his ZR2 Colorado, and he did all this work. We had to cut stuff and re-gear. We're not gonna do any of that. It's just that on a Tacoma, it just fits.
Touching the fender flare?
Nope, not yet.
No?
Nope.
Okay, that kind of looks rad. That looks so good.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Things are happening.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks really good. Guys, you didn't know this video would have puppies.
Unsolicited puppy.
Oh, puppies. This video has trucks and puppies, you guys. While we're at it, a teaser for a future video is, yes, I do have a lift on this. This is a Bilstein 6112 with the Eibach. I think it's a 650-pound spring. Yes, that's correct. I haven't done the video about my suspension setup yet because it's still kind of ongoing. I have a lift block in the back, which I'm not happy with the ride at all, so we're gonna be swapping out leaf springs. So anyway, stay tuned for a suspension video coming up soon once I'm done with my suspension. Oh man.
Oh crap, dude. I don't. This is trouble.
How are we looking?
Oh, is it good?
It's okay.
Okay.
Not touching.
I got a little worried.
Oop.
All we're down.
Oh.
That looks meaty. Like, look at that thing. That's,
Oh no.
we just gained like what? 2 inches in height?
Oh, let's actually let's check ground clearance.
Yeah, usually it's 10.
Oh yeah, we getting 12 and a quarter.
12 and a quarter? Oh. It'll be fine. Come on, Joe. Why gotta rain on my parade? Why do you gotta kill my spirit, Joe? Oh, it looks so good. Oh no.
It's going to take us a few times to get it out of the driveway, but I think we'll get it.
There's space for days. It's fine. We're gonna go for a drive.
It's for a drive. Gotta make sure
Yeah,
it's roadworthy.
Yeah, we gotta do that first. Then probably no trails, because that would be really dumb.
Trails today?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. I said not too sharp now.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, a little more. You can get a little more.
A little more?
Okay, now stop. That right there.
Oh, okay.
Just don't hit the brakes too hard, or else it
I really
dives in.
can't turn very much.
Yeah, just that's it.
Okay.
That's all you need.
Okay. I'm gonna hit Joe's Toyota.
Just keep it. You know you're good.
I'm good? Oh, all right, I'm going straight now. I'm
All right, you
turning.
gotta go back that
I'm
way.
turning Drassinger now.
Drassinger. Not
Okay.
too much. That's yeah, you're good.
Good. Oh, it rubbed. It's rubbing.
Is it rubbing?
It's rubbing a little bit.
Just a smidge?
Just a little bit. It's fine.
Okay, you gotta go wide though. Remember that.
Oh, right. Because we're gonna, guys, we're trying to turn right, so we have to turn left for a long time before we turn right. So, okay. Should I start turning?
Okay, bring it back my way.
Okay. It's fine.
Oh, you hit a bump. Okay, you got it. You got it.
I got it.
Not too much. Back. Go back. those are superficial noises.
Oh, those are just things. Those are things. It's fine.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice and smooth.
All right.
You're gonna fall off a ledge. It might make a little more bump noise.
Okay. I'm gonna hit that telephone pole here.
Yeah. You're close. Okay, straighten your wheels a little. There you go. Right there.
Okay,
Let's keep it that way.
We're gonna turn right.
Let's do this serious.
It's gonna happen this time.
We're gonna make it.
It's gonna happen. Oh. Am I gonna hit the fence?
No, you got. You might clear.
Oh.
Carelessly installing 35s might be dumb, but not dumb keeping your fuel system clean with Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. I use it every 5,000 miles. Thanks, Techron, for keeping my channel going.
Yeah. 35s is a lifestyle. All right. Oh, yeah!
Hey, we made it!
Woo! Yeah!
Okay, you got no cars! Yeah, that's perfect right there. You're
Right
just,
there? Okay.
yeah, like,
You think I can do it? This is so stupid. Doesn't it look cool, though?
it looks super
Does
cool.
is it worth it? I think it's worth it.
A car, there's car,
Oh.
there's car. Okay, right about there.
Okay. Here we go.
Too much.
Here we go. Is there a car?
No, there's no car.
No
You
car?
can just
Okay.
pass.
All right,
think
here we go.
I think you should be good. You just gotta get into your lane is the biggest problem.
Right.
Plenty of time, Jason. Plenty of time.
I'm driving on the road.
Okay, we got a car coming behind you, so.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. Yeah.
Okay, now you're good.
Woo!
Just make it to the dumpster.
To the dumpster! Yeah! You don't need to re-gear. That's a bunch of crap. Hey, Joe, thank you for letting me borrow your 35s for a little bit.
Not a problem.
And Nate, thank you for pitching probably the dumbest, but maybe the best YouTube video idea ever.
I think so. I think everyone always had a question, you know, what does it take to fit 35s on a stock Tacoma? And I think we answered that today with this video.
More than what I've done so far is the answer.
Quite a bit more.
All right, guys, thank you all very much for watching. God bless. Don't forget to do it yourself and stay tuned for more Tacoma videos and other ones too.